Hello, my name is Alex Cha from the law offices of Alex Cha & Associates. Right now there's a trend of catalytic converters being stolen. These parts could be stolen either by the thieves taking your car or just taking the part out of the car. When you have these parts stolen, then you need to have a comprehensive insurance to cover you for the loss. So the comprehensive insurance coverage will cover you for anything that happens beyond your control, such as a tree branch falling on your car, or an animal just striking the car, or a rock falling and cracking your windshield. So in California, you are required to have a liability insurance of bodily injury of $15,000 minimum and $5,000 in property damage. But because of the increase of everything else across the board, it is wise to have more than $15,000. And if you don't have liability insurance, then because of Prop 213, even if you get into an accident and it's not your fault, you may not be entitled to pain and suffering. There's also collision coverage in your insurance that is very important to protect you. Collision coverage is required because when you get into a car accident, sometimes there's going to be a dispute of who's at fault. And if you don't have collision coverage, then it's going to take a lot longer to figure out who's at fault and to get your car repaired. So UN coverage is uninsured motorist coverage, where if you get into a car accident and it's not your fault and the other party doesn't have insurance coverage, then your UN will protect you and pay for your losses. So right now, we see a lot of problems with rental car coverage. A lot of people don't have rental car coverage thinking they don't need the coverage, but it's very important because rental cars are very expensive and it's taking a lot longer than pre-COVID to fix your car. So before COVID, it might have taken a few days to fix your car. Now it's taking more than a month possibly because of the lack of parts and so forth. So your car could be out for a couple months, and for those couple months, if you don't have rental car coverage, then you have to pay for a rental car yourself. We highly recommend that you study your automobile insurance and your policy. And when you get into car accidents, please give us a call so we can maximize the coverage and your compensation.